Alright everyone, here we have the Mr. Christmas Inc. model 67791. It's the Lights and Sounds of Christmas. This is for your outdoor lighting extravaganza. There are 6 plugs here to plug in your lights. I just have my photo lights here plugged into it, some desk lamps basically. We'll get a look here. You got all sorts of different buttons to press. You can change the music type if you want a multiplex or just steady on. Also the volume of it. So let's go ahead and crank her on here. I'll give you a little volume. You can see the lights in the background blinking. Change the music type. Skip through the different songs. You can watch the lights here blink on and off at different times. Comes with a yardstick and also a styrofoam box that it came in. And keep it safe for storage. Right back there. It's in really nice shape. Maybe a little bit dirty, but no major cracks or anything. It does seem to get pretty loud. So you could also have the lights go in unison so they're blinking at the same time. On, off. You can go with steady, just have them on all the time. And the multiplex, of course, blinks at different times. So it should give a pretty cool Christmas vibe. Thanks for looking. Bye.